Hi, I'm Grace, New Meds Product Specialist, and today I'm going to be guiding you through the OMI full body mat and how to use it. The OMI full body mat is a home use device with a magnetic field strength of up to 2.2 Gauss and a frequency range of 1 to 99 Hz. Included in the box, you'll receive a OMI user manual, you'll receive your full body mat, your controller, and your power supply. For an effective full body treatment, you want to lay your mat on a hard surface, avoiding any soft surfaces as this can dislodge any coils in the mat and potentially damage the system. So to use the device, start by plugging the lead from the mat into the controller here. Then plugging in your mains power supply into the top of the controller like this. You should then hear a beep, and this tells you that the power is on. Just note that this device is not battery powered, it is mains only. The OMI full body mat comes with 3 programs. Program 1 ranges from 3 to 38 Hz and will allow you to adjust your session time up to 30 minutes. All you need to do is select program 1 using your up and down arrows and then select OK. Then it will take you down to the timer button where you'll then select your up and down arrows for your session time. You'll click OK and the session will begin to run. To silence the device to stop it from bleeping at the end of your session, just click the middle button. Program 2 uses various frequencies throughout, ranging from 1 to 99 Hz. And Program 3 will allow you to adjust your frequencies and your session time from 1 to 99 Hz. To power off the system, you just want to make sure that a program isn't running and then just simply unplug it. If you have any questions about the products we've discussed today, please do not hesitate to contact us.